So hi, I'm Miss Joanne and I want to talk about 1.1. So 1.1 is basically about how we place values through the millions. So we are going to go from 1 all the way to million. Okay, so place values through the millions, and first of all, what are we learning now? So what are we learning now is we want to be able to read and write. So after finish this section, we will be able to read and write whole numbers through million. Okay, so first of all, I want to introduce you a term. So a term is called a period. So the term that we are going to learn here is what we say a period. So what is a period? A period is a group of 3 digits separated by commas in a multi-digit number. So period is a group of 3 digits. So period is a group of 3 digits separated by commas in multi-digit numbers. So what is million? So how much exactly is million? So 1 million, if we say something, it's 1 million. It equals to, it will be written as 1,000,000,000. Okay, so after this section, we will be able to read and write whole numbers to millions. 2 terms we want to learn, one is period and the other is million. Okay, so these are the periods. So we say periods is a group of 3 digits. So there are 3 periods here. The first period we come with the ones. So these 3 are what we say the ones. These 3 digits we use to say it as the 1. The second section, these 3 digits we call it thousands. And then these 3 digits we call it million. And then each of the digits has its own name. So I got ones, I got thousand, I got millions. So here I have 3 periods. One period is ones, the other period is thousands, the other period is what we say million. So in 1, I start by ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred. Then again, ones, tens, hundred. Then I have here 0. That means 0 times 1, the whole thing is 0. So now the second 0 actually belongs to the 10. So in the second 0, I got 0 times 10, it's also 0. The third 0 belongs to hundreds. So then I got 0 times 100, so equals to 0. Okay, so this one I got 2. Okay, 2 times 1,000. So here is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then I have 9 times 10,000. Then I have 3 times 100,000. So I can write down the sum of it. So this is 90,000. This is 300,000. And for one, the last one, I have 1 million. 1 times 1 million. So it's 1 million. Okay, so the place value of digit 1 in 1, the place value, so place value, this is what we say place value. The place value in digit 1 in 1,300,000, 90,000, 390,000, 1,392,000 is 1 million. So the value of 1 in 1,392,000 is 1 million. So this is million. So we see place value. We want to see what exactly it is. Is it million? Is it 100,000? Is it 10,000? Or is it thousands? Okay, so then I have the standard form. The standard form is 1,392,000. And the word form is 1,392,000 1,392,000. So the expanded form, what I have here is 1,300,000, 90,000, 2,000. That's it. So I have standard form is exactly what I write. The word form is how I read it in English. And the expanded form is exactly how the numbers can be broken down. So a recap. A period is a group of 3 digits. And the periods, we have ones, and we go from ones, tens, hundreds. We also go from thousands, we have 1, 10, 100. And we also have million, which also goes from 1, 10, hundreds. So for now, there are some examples here, like standard form. What is this? This is 582,031. So I have 500. 82, 1,000 and 31. The expanded form, 500,000 plus 80,000 plus 2,000 plus 30 plus 1. So the other example is what we say, what is the place value patterns. Okay, so place value patterns is how we place value in the place value chart. We want to know what number it is. So Mercury's speed as it orbits the sun is about 100,000 miles per hour. So Pluto's speed is about 10,000 miles per hour. And we want to compare them. Okay, so here, the first line, we are going to put in the speed of the Mercury. The second line, we want to put in the speed of Pluto because we want to compare them. So Mercury, it says 100,000. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 100,000. For Pluto, it's about 10,000. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay? So this is how we use place value chart to compare them. Okay? So what we want to say here is the Mercury speed and I compare it to Pluto's speed. So I divide 100,000, 10,000. I cancel out these 4. The answer is 10. So from top to down. So Mercury speed equals to 10 times Pluto's speed. So Mercury speed is 10 times of the Pluto speed. So example 2, how do we rename 10,000 using other place values? So from here, so now example 2. So example 2, I want to talk about how we rename 10,000 using other place value. So the idea is like each number, we can call it the number that we have plus its place value. Okay, so here is 10,000. Okay, so from 10,000, we do have thousands. Then we also have ones. So then from here, each of these, we have 3 of them. We have, okay, I need to leave more space for hundreds. We have ones, we have tens, we have hundreds. We have ones, we have tens, we also have hundreds. So then we have 10,000. So 10,000 equals to 1 times 10,000. 10,000 also equals to 10 times 1,000, 1,000. 10,000 also equals to 100 times 10. Let's count the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I'm missing a 0. 100, 10,000 also equals to 1,010. Okay, I'm going to do a magic, move this in upward because I'm running out of space because I made choices to write this downward. And then I also have 10,000 equals to 10,000 times 1. So then in this case, this equals to 1 10,000. This equals to 10 1,000. This equals to 100 1,000. 100 100 100 100 100. I have 100 100. This equals to 1,010. 1,000 of 10. This one is I have 10,000 1. So it becomes the unit, and the unit means the place value, and the number. So in each place value, I am counting it on.